A new hero Yin is about to be released on the advanced server. He does not look like a tough guy, but you know what they all say, never judge a book by its cover. Due to his skills, he poses a great threat to his enemies. Let's quickly start with his passive. He will deal increased damage to the enemies if no allies are around. That means he will be a very good solo XP laner. When he uses his first skill, Yin throws a charged punch forward. If the punch hits, he will throw another punch after a short delay. This is a burst damaging AoE skill. So this skill will come in very handy in clearing the minion wave instantly. Moving on. His second skill is a dash blink skill. When using this skill, Yin will dash forward and leaves a ring behind. This ring will return to Yin after a short delay, and on the way, if the ring hits an enemy, the enemies will be stunned for a period. Lastly, his ultimate. This skill is one of the most unique skill in the game. This is a target cast skill. When using this skill, Yin will change form into Li and will enter into a domain with the marked enemy. His skill will get changed and enhanced. When using his first skill inside the domain, he will smash the area ahead of him up to 15 times. These smashes will deal damage and slow the enemy. The slow is increased with every hit they take. The smashing speed will also increase over the duration. His skill 2 inside the domains will be the same as the normal one. Just the stun duration will be increased. The enemy will not be able to escape from the domain, but will be able to fight one-on-one with him. This skill is little bit bugged right now and still needs further optimizations. If he successfully eliminates an enemy inside the domain, his enhanced skill cooldowns will be reset and he will be able to use it on the battlefield. Many of the skill descriptions mentioned sometimes stop working. The hero does look basic, but when you learn to utilize his skills, he will turn out to be monster anyone would fear to face against. His skill can even be activated inside turrets and without even getting a single hit from the turret. It does have really great potential. He gets lots of unique possibilities with other heroes that have unique skills of their own. We will soon bring a detailed interaction video with other fighters. Stay tuned and thank you for watching. Keep supporting Kazuki Official.
I'm here and I'm feeling exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am confused. step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear I weighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Fearless.